say we don't call no foul. Say we don't call no foul. You want me to sing or MC? Tell me. Say we don't call no foul. Alright, watch out. The vibe nice, you know, love it. I mean, you know, what stuns me is the vibration that you really just want to come and full joy yourselves. It doesn't really matter what is playing, you just full joy the moment. And I really love that. The next thing I'm seeing is the fashion statements. It's very so distinct. Each individual is carrying their own essence of themselves here tonight. And it's simply beautiful. Clap on yourself now, they look lovely and royal. Yeah. Nice. Regally speaking. Alright, black people, we love it. We love the vibration. Alright, we're good? Without further ado, it's been a minute. Thank you, Queen, Kamal, and Isis for bringing this moment together. It's Reggae on Top, the 2025 series right here at Cultcha Palace, Brooklyn in New York City, featuring some of the toughest New York reggae juggling and magnetic singers that will totally overwhelm you tonight. And you know, it's simply off the chain. Just hold on and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. First to come to center stage, he's from Barbados and he's from the reggae stable of Sister Isis. He's a child prodigy, started singing from the age of 13. I asked him how does he rate himself on a scale of 1 to 10, and he says he's a rating of 7. Let us prove it, if it is true. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the very first performer tonight, right here, right now, is all about singer, you. Make some signals, put your hands together, make some love, some sounds, yeah. For the man called Singer, you. Singer, you. Come to center stage, the man from Barbados. Coming through right now inside Brooklyn, New York, and Reggae on Top. In the presence of Miami, no one knows it's my favorite boy, and my blood when it's over. Oh yeah, and surely goodness and mercy should follow right in line all the days of our life.
But I and I be standing here amongst the stars above, a life I once only dreamed of. Oh no, not I, if it wasn't for your love, smiling faces all around, like my king has just been crowned. Oh Lord, a battle has been won, and I'd have lost if it wasn't for your love. A mystery unfolds, as true and strong as I've been told. At last, my chance to shine, and all in perfect time. If it wasn't for your love, Lord, Rastafari.
Let's love, put your hands together on there. Man called Singer Youth.
So far, we had to go to Sava and the Francis. We know the microphone is every time. So also, Console, it's a console. SOB, it's a console. Console. Hey. Console, man, me a the console, man. Console, man, me a the console, man. Console, man, me a the console, man. Console, man, me a the console. Every dance around town you see the console, man. Every club around town you see the console, man. Really pumping and the dumpling and the piece of yellow yam. Lime and the onion and the piece of scallion. Peas and the coconut and pepper and cayenne. That's why they hold it. Let's put that go through. Let's put that go through. I'm gonna stay too long. Hold it, artists. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Big up all the artists in the building. Big up everyone. Big up the promoter. Big up everyone. So love life. So love life. Yeah, man, give life. We don't take life. I'm more life. Life for the righteous. Let's go. Hey, don't want to bad man. When I don't want bad man, I'm bad hate. I'm bad God. I'm bad God. I'm bad God. Yeah. What do I name? Can't know who. Mind you a cut and got show. Can't know who. Mind you a flex and got show.
The artists them. Because you see the artists them, we're proud of them. We love the job with them do at Jamaica. So we have to big up the artists them. See? That one you have the artists them. Run the show time with that. Alright! Hello, me daddy. Hello. See it now. Me no wrong with the man dance, no pussy classy. But long time talk, me nobody not speak. No, him a tell them, what's this? Hello. Me no wrong with the sex, them a pussy classy. But long time they talk about nobody not speak. Tell them to bring back the things with them teeth. When we talk, them want to we down. That not what happen, we not calm down. Jamaican people now hold back them tongue. We're tired. Get. Say get. Alright, see you know. Tell me if you don't agree with the politics. Tell me if you don't agree with the Bantan. All of the real people put up on your hand. We know you know none of them are politicians. Every time they come, them always wrong. Big up on yourself all entertainer. How do what they want where pick up Jamaica? We never see no politician or prime minister. Anyway, we go and tell them bring them no more winner. We know like you, Melissa. We don't like you, Melissa. We don't like... Hold on, Melissa. Hold on. Pull up. You see all of the man them? Come here, forget them that one a cappella, you know. That one adjustment. We don't like you, Melissa. Say we don't like you, Melissa. We don't like you, Melissa. No like how you fuck up with Island Jamaica. Come and say who said that dirty girl you come at Jamaica. Mash up Olava, mash up Balaclava, mash up the Walla, down a Black River. You tell Melissa figuring out her mama. Never see no prime minister or entertainer. How will never see a build up the people at Jamaica? And them a build the people them round ya. We see spice, we see...
Now at the center stage, the man called Higher Saya with positive vibrations. Put your hands together, make some sound now. Higher Saya!
Bless up everyone to go some person, it's my pleasure. Bless up Queen, come on the whole artist. Bless up Talia, great voice of the world, you know, our voice is just like the universe. Give thanks to everyone. You know, you have to respect that now. And it's a moment of silence for our country, Jamaica, can't do what that did us. I know how we came with us and did our country. So many house, so many life lost, everything but all respect, our heart and soul and love goes out to our country. One love to Jamaica is a universal country. Give thanks every time. We shall rise in the highest form of life, psychologically, and the sunlight and the moon. I'm just like an eagle, flying so high in the sky. I'm just like an eagle, moving in strength, power, and courage. No one can stop you but yourself. I'm just like an eagle, flying so high in the airwaves. I'm just like an eagle, moving in strength, power, and courage. No one can stop you but yourself. It's dance life, no? More than joy. Yeah, man. And this song is for all the ladies them. And we should big up all the Nubian queens. You know, for female ruler is the kingdom of Nubia. That's the meaning of a Nubian queen. Track 5. Bless all the ladies them. Hold on. That is track 5? Yeah. That is why. And you have Nubian queen. Come here. Yeah. Alright. No, next one. No, the Chicha. Alright. Run that one and run up there. Run them. Next one. No. Alright. Run. Start from top. Yeah. Right. Running sugar. All these world leaders making bombs and nuclear. Oh, when they shine, destroying humankind. All the wars what's going on throughout the world today. We just can't take it no more. Psychological, biologically, displacement of children and man and woman. Take time out to see what's want to see war and destruction. Just can't make it no more. All the world just need a one with all Israel healers. Oh, yeah, man, that's it. Now stress it. Yeah, hold on. That's it. Yes, give thanks to my people. Roll the next one after that. Yeah. Giving time to living up dance. Promote life and be more dead. Life in life, that's the way it's supposed to be. Oh yeah. Too much youth to die, faster than fly. Too much youth to die, tired to hear the mother ever cry. And I live to face the limit. No, they're dying after young foolish. Too much youth to die, faster than fly. Too much youth to die.
you very much.
Alright, solid character from that time until now. I just reconnected with him sometime, I think a couple of years ago when I met in Florida. And then he told me that he's now in New York. And I said, yeah, I'm from New York, and I said anytime. And here I am, and the connection is rekindled once more. He's a solid entertainer and performer, and he's a star. Let me call him to stand the stage and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Help me welcome right now, our brother. His name is Ras Zoops. Ras Zoops. Make some sound and make some signal and welcome our brother. Real talent, real entertainer, real performer. Yeah, real musical genius. Come and show them what you've got, my brother. Ras Zoops.
Jamaica got through a crisis. So it's a separation thing I want to deal with, you know. Someone started, so you know. May I say greetings. The thought of the night is love. And I know my definition of love is love. It embraces a lot of strength. It encourages one to pursue their goals. Love is true. It is never false. When one is sick, the love you give can make them recover quick. Love has no ending. It's infinite. It's to the extreme point of Senate. So whenever you set out to love, try never to bring it out in a racial context. Because the greatest love you can find on earth is the divine love from the Most High. So may I say, get a fast, come closer now. And something named Sex Slave. So may I say, if you're ready for fun, some 25, say Rumbo! Say Rumbo! And 4 kids me get to know. I'm going to defend them with my life. Hey, Ginger, big up yourself, my brother. Hey, Empress Bubbles. Why? The soul of the people refuse to come to a cornerstone. It's not the same daily drop of water bottle and turn to brown. You're not the favorite from her mom. From her own she cry out the sound. And from the heavens some outside is blessed. Level, the one you see them is hard and terribly dreadful and crucial. Then you tell her what is full of your potential. That's a touching nothing to use the prostitution. That's what the baby here and put in extension. That's the youth talent of it, no more pension. Sex said that they can move it in a mansion. Go on and get them put them in the sanction. And about them on vocation, oh! The soul of the people refusing on the head. I want you to look it. I baby drop out of my mouth, well I turn to brown. You have to pay me from now. Let me talk to the people. You see another time now, warm up for you. Whoa! Brace yourself out on new world order. Sex slave, protect your son and your daughter. Them we sell them celebrate my daughter. And the poor class them have a water. Just because them go born as a papa. It not only one in a Jamaica. Worldwide it a one in Africa. CNN broadcast, me get 3 prints and I go business. I think the badness one of them friend. Life sentence, ready to go take. Bring back the gallus, still not friend. Book up and ask, how we do them. Say Rugo! Yeah man, you see the next structure what we're going to do? And for the female, the Empress Talia, my sister, Rugo. I would like to say something to you. Yes man. Say Talia. Them queen and my sister. And I think man I know say, oh, him showed me a female because bad man not take email, you see? So what you say, I said down at the queen, left out of Brooklyn, and she not smile and come home to a happy family. Because Jamaica in a shambles. Just want someone in island paradise, you know. Check for the thing, Papa. I know you're smart, man. That's not island paradise, go with you. Empress Bubbles, go on this one. Smile, hey, you see, yo? Don't be on the queen, you know. Front up on them. Hey, you see, yo? Smile, smile. Himself look for her and tell her this.
Hey baby girl, don't slip. Compliment those hips. No lie, every talk now walk up. Say God bless you from birth. I found heaven on earth. And since you came in my life, yes, my island turned paradise. She tell me motivation over confusion. Hey, she no wanna tell us man, inspiration with dedication. She need a phone. She say unity is strength, so let's do this together. She tell me that she ready for the weather. Protect her heart like a golden treasure. Me make sure what the rest of man bless us. God bless you from birth. God bless you from. I found heaven on earth. And since she came to my life, yes. Yeah, man, me a Sarugi, my name is Russ Brooks, and it was a pleasure, you know. Big up on the South Brooklyn, Pauna to OD.
Alright, bless love. You don't know where we love an artist here, but we can't give me a piece of the one, you know, the dancing. Yeah, my new one will shock the world. Give me a piece of the dancing. You know it? You have the dancing with him? Run the dancing. Just a little piece. Get up the dancing. Let them know what Ras Hooks are going with. Yeah? Dancing. Ras Hooks in a proper dub style.
Yes, sis.
That's right.
So it's a joy, you know? This is one of my songs that was here to Jamaica. Due to the beautiful Irish film. I ain't what I tell you them I drop it. Hey, you're tempted, but I'm playing safe. Brooklyn, boom. Guess who's knocking at my door? Guess who's knocking at my door? The damsel from next door. She said she love all the rest of core. Turn right us, ever so pure. Guess who's knocking at my door? The damsel from next door. Said she wants to see me some more. Teach about Rastafari shore. So we go invite her into our cabin. Accommodate her with a seagrass mannequin. Before we start the ancient reasoning, I offer great sweets and shiny jubilings. And then the rings about the kings of kings. And now we fly and the winds of winds. About the royal blessing we bring. Our angels sing up, angels sing. Guess who is? I love them.
She's the unstoppable force behind Boss Chick and Anthem. No haters. Bringing reggae, rap, R&B, and pure global energy to the stage. Make it loud for the blazing, the fearless, the incomparable Empress Bubbles. Make some more.
Push on repping, besides them kids, you know they ain't been up. There's gonna be a lot of fun like people wish me evil. When we start fly like eagles, wait till we start to go on tour. You think they hate now, they gon' be hating more. They see bubbles, bubbles, diamonds and pearls. Empress, we come take it to the world. Bubbles, bubbles, diamonds and pearls. Empress, we come take it to the world. So yeah, I'm hot, they're not. I'm so real. I'm hot, they're not. When I first started off on this music mission, I did this for a happy road, my lyrics were fun. But the people nowadays, when they find my ways, maybe change up the things and make it more disciplined. Like Cali say, you know I got to win. Like B.I.G. by the way, that's the thing. But y'all from Brooklyn, like push on the pin. Hold on there. Before I go any further, I want to just introduce myself to you if that song didn't do it. My name is Empress Bubble, straight out of Brooklyn. Born yes sir, alright? But my parents were Jamaican. Okay? So make a rhyme like a Yankee and shot like a Yachty, you understand? Alright. Where my brother? Yo, where my brother Snapper? And need Snapchat right now. Give him a telephone. I need Snapchat for the telephone. Thank you.
All right, you must.
Thank you, Empress.
All right.
All right. Where are the ladies in the house?
Empress Pamela.
That call themselves boss shit. Make some noise, please. Ladies, if you know your boss shit, make some noise.
All the boss chicks speak up.
I know the man never knows about my boss. Make some noise.
Yeah.
Run the radio now.
Yeah. Boss chick.
Love it.
Get the boss chick. Get the boss.
Fight on the spill of yourself. Never tell me why they call me boss shit, alright?
Right.
Have mercy. You ready, snapper? Check it. No yellow turbo that go on bad. No for them girls can't even wash their book. No for them a breed and can't read a book. To them pixie and night time.
Oh, that you know.
Me see them a club and night time a party. And no for them girls have no GED. Them can't tell what happened in the history. And them not going with nothing presently. But I'm a boss shit. I know you're rusty. When you're looking at me, you know you want it. You know I'm the chick. You can't stand this. And you wanna run me down to the side. I'm a boss shit. I know you're rusty. Looking at me just like you want it. You know I'm the chick. You can't stand it. Finish now. Hear me sweetly. I go the road to the air conversion. Them chicks, they pretty to come along with us. I'm so proud of my profession. When I get old, I can have a pension. Get my hip and pick up and I lose no sleep. Nobody girls can't even touch me. When they walk out, I remember me drive. I have my ambition to the tech time. Yo, let me tell you one thing before we leave.
Bad your boy.
Hold on there. Hold on. There are some people in the world who don't like to see you have any type of success. And they give them a capital H name. Alright? Start with the H. Where do you get it now? Haters, right? Haters. Pass me some water. Come around, quench my thirst. Someone can tell you about that. Where's some agua there? Dame un agua, por favor. I'm trying God. Puerto Rican.
Where's the waterman? Waterman.
Where the water then?
Waterman. Come. Come. Is it water girl? Come.
Water.
Let her wet her lips.
Water.
Empress Bubbles. Empress Bubbles. Empress Bubbles. Empress
Hold it,
Bubbles.
darling.
Empress.
Come on, you know the boss, she has her boss
Go,
working.
superstar. Go.
No haters, baby, let's go. This is a Dapper Max One production. And I heard Booker Star is in here, so he's one of them Dappers. Alright, look at this now. Yeah. They got some haters out here, you know? Cause they don't like this. Check it. Yeah, they don't see all your dress. They full of ice and you don't like stress. I mean, I have no time for a hater. If you don't like me, then see you later. Hot girl, they don't see all your dress. They full of ice and you don't like stress. I mean, I have no time for a hater. Check this out. All of a sudden, I'm breed the Empress. They come in like they wanna be the Empress. You will need a degree to try test. When you see me, you are trying to impress. No competition, I'm in my own here. Rising up to the sky, I'm here. They can't stop me, I'll always maintain. Focus on me, I'll continue career. Yeah. Hot girl, you must be the Empress. If you love my job, then I'm stress. I'm gonna have no time for a hater. If you don't like me, then hot girl, you must be the Empress. If you love my job, then I'm stress. I'm gonna have no time. You know what that boy want to do? They want time for me, ladder. They tell the peace, they want ladder. No competition for the asset. They go me like ladder. I'm gonna like haters. Don't pray me to my jealous. So nobody being a hater. Well, I'm stopping my hater. Yeah. Hot girl, you know, still a hater. Before the vibes, I'm gonna like stress. Yo. My name is Empress Bubbles, the man named Trouble. Alright, look at yourself right here.
no matter what, we still can go home and replenish. You know, Jamaica is therapy for us all. So keep pouring into Jamaica, alright? Alright. The man that come from Clarendon, you know. Mr. What must I know about the man? It's a one man from Clarendon that him run Clarendon and is one done. One done. One balance.
Come on, big up yourself. Israel. Anyway, big up yourself. Patrick, you don't know. Ginger, big up yourself. You don't know that go. Hold on, man. Hold on. That's not one. Hold on. Ginger. Brooklyn. It's a good night. And you see what going on in Jamaica over there, you kind of feel bad, don't you? Yes. You feel bad, don't you? Yes. And if all I want to do is have money or certain things can send to the people, I'm going to send it, don't it? Yes. Drop it now. Hey, one balance. Sometimes you say it's turbulence. But man is ignorance. Oh gosh. But man are running out them veins like blood. Them look clean, but them dirty like mud. Hear them out and make them up your road. Them not good. Well, I want balance in a man. Man. I don't want that two, not three. I was just one. I will run Clarendon alongside Versatile. You see it? We can't let them up. Play one thing on it, please. Hey, one balance. Sometimes mistakes with a turbulence. But mine is ignorance. Oh God. But mine are only like them veins like blood. Them look clean but them dirty like mud. In them heart and them full of beer bro. Them not show the people no love. But mine are up in them veins like blood. Them look clean but them dirty like mud. In them heart and them full of beer bro. Them not show the people no love. Make them full of hate so much. But mine still hate them all. People think them ain't the touch. They are corrupt and fool them all. Set up money, so in front of you, they will rub you in your feet. This one no way. That's for your life, and with you escape. Them same one come turn over you with somebody who will not do things like that. Them look clean, but them dirty like mud. Hear them out and them full of your bros. Them not show the people no love. But them look clean and them veins like yeah. Drop it extra. I want balance. I want to be in ignorance. Hold on there again. Hold. Family. You know me have a big song around the place right now called Family is Forever. And I want balance again. Drop it on man. Me love my family. For a time, but family forever. Make them who you are, in them Princess for a time, but family forever. Make them who you are, in them remember blood thicker than water. All when the poor and from Papa. Don't not care, this is your master. And remember me, I could give you loyalty, to be your hope and set you free. Yeah, pull up again, man. Let's see place pull up.
Time.
Yeah. Time to run up.
Let's unlock it.
For a time, but family forever. Make them who you are, in them Princess for a time, but family forever. Make them who you are, in them Me love my family, like how Sparta I love family. Me love my family, like how Alliance love Sunday. Me love my family, like how Unruly loves Papi. Me love my family, like how
Yeah, one down. Yeah, one balance.
Big up Queen Kamala. Big up all the people that will put this together. You see me I say. Yeah man, Jana guy don't protect up on the battlefield. Big up Jamaica. You don't know one time we can say. So yo, Yo, give me a second. Run the murder version. Yeah. All the people that want to say them glad today here. Every day them live them life. This is me I say live the life to the fullest. What them say? Yo. Yeah man, big up Talia Powers, big up everybody in my house. You see me I say? Okay. Alright. What we say? Okay. Yo, every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. Hard work, I love like celebrity. And I'm a private jet, sipping anything. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. I drive on like celebrity. Everywhere we go, people are told me. We go hard in the pain. Money sakai, we go hard to get the win. Never say no, we stay true to the game. Look at the fight, we maintain up a name. The beat is what we feel like a plane. Yo, tap in the street, the whole team turn up. I'm beginning, and I drive them truck. We're not in the place, we know how the thing go. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get. Who is up and come out here? Yeah man, big up all the people them in the place. Brooklyn, how you feeling? Future, where you there? What them say? Yo. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. And dirty, I don't like celebrity. And I'm a private jet, sipping anything. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. And car drive, go like celebrity. Everywhere we go, people are told me. We go hard in the pain. Money sakai, we go hard to get the rain. Never say no, we stay true to the game. Look at the fight, we maintain over there. The street is cold, we feel like a plane. Yo, jump in the street, the whole team turn up. I'm beginning, y'all are driving truck. We're not in the place, you know how the king go. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. At dirty, I don't like celebrity. And I'm a private jet, taking anything. Every day we live life like celebrity. Make money, get paid like celebrity. At car drive, go like celebrity. What that say? Lawless victory. Hey yo, run, bless Jamaica.
Come on, big up yourself. Put it up again. Let me say one thing really quick. I've been putting on more than this in Jamaica because we all go to Jamaica. So all the real Jamaican I'm not telling you right now. Let me see life in Jamaica. Yeah, and I say, forgiving. The real Jamaican there. Let me go. Please bless Jamaica. Every inch and every square and every acre. Please bless Jamaica. I need some sorry people of Jamaica. Never say and stand with Jamaica. And every inch and every acre. I know that. Please bless Jamaica. My no, I have the one that away on the function attack. Why we try to live it up? This is the divine, the pressure in the violence for love. We want them night and morning, they will let the people let's ignore the warning and put in on us. Let's put in on a show.
On that top, you know, put my style, you know.
Yeah. Give thanks and praise for life, you know. Tell you, big up yourself, Queen Kamala, Isis, Brooklyn, all of that gossip. When the soul are going in a life, you know, the soul are going in a earth, you know, man. Only God and God alone, you know, hear me, I tell you, no. Drop it down, my guy. Bread up, my father. Say, Jaja, they do me. And when nothing now go on up against the wall, try to be what you ever do. Full of food and I tell me why so play fool. We have to watch it carefully. A long time them a fight and try take we life, we know we cry already. Tell them we prayed up already. Yeah. Crisply, you know we're going to let it go. Guidance. Them ask why we hail the king. Ask them, who did they choose the cartoon? All when nothing now go on up against the water, prepare a table for we. Full of food and tell we why it's not play food. We have to watch the pressure with these. A long time them a fight and try to take we life, we don't worry, we pray. Tell them we prayed up already. Yeah. So put a smile on your face, we don't see nothing to worry about. No worry about nothing. Come I can open my eyes, food can go in our mouth. We have to give thanks to the Most High. My life in a great hands, and I'm grateful. Say Jaja did it to me. All when nothing I go on, my back against the walls, I prepare a table. Watch your next. Cause holy power there, you know. I'm not try it out, you know. Balance it. The man them will love the woman them now. Balance it, my God. Wanna listen in a fine style. This fire serve a blessing. You'll feel it in your soul. My love is like my music. Will make you rock and roll. Will give you all your love, girl. So I won't make you cry. I will be there forever. Will never leave your side, girl. I will never, ever let you go. I will never hurt a trying soul. I will never. Woman, no make no boy box and kick your hair. In a real life. No time. Listen. What kind of man could hurt a girl like you? Girl, take my hand. I'll make your gray skies blue. Here's my handkerchief. Wipe those tears up. Pull. Next in line. Quick out fast. You see me? Tell you, you know what's going on. My brother them there are far away from. I'm kind of tired too. But we have to sing for people them because we're there. Queen come on, I'm not sing out the song, they will see how quick me and jump them, I'm not keeping a talk. Listen, I just a little marijuana, and that alone we have your pandita. Watch it from your son in the farm. No sense to spread no propaganda. Remember, please, God, marijuana blowing through wind, you profit in the hills. Hey, marijuana legal. This is not the days of championship. We're get it in. And the doctors and the nurse, and then prescribe it first. The cure for the nation there from there one check was by the first. And don't forget the curse. The herbs are time and herbs. It's good for the cancer, weed, and the answer to all of your concern. Make we load up the Cultcha and we blaze it. And don't till up the land you can't face it. I work so hard just to erase it. Check the truth, to see the truth upon the. Watch out! Certain legal marijuana blowing in the wind. We're pumping in the wind. Hey, marijuana legal. Any herbs in there? Any guns in there? Listen up, guy.
But the said, we are Israelites. 12 tribes of Israel. Father Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. That we said. Understand? One signal.
Yes. Alright.
Watch it out.
Alright.
One as a honor zero. Come and see parents stay away. You see me? What member? Who was star is the name? Panel platform. Big up Editor, big up Crisply, big up Guidance.
Yes.
Sorry, you know, Queen Kamala.
Yes. Yeah, man with aura, presence, man with energy and style. Lyrics for hours, days and weeks, man well versatile. Who was spark? Wish we had more time to see your full performance. More to come, see? Without further ado, you don't know then. Almost 5 o'clock, we'll have to close off that time. And Ginger here, and we want to see him in full performance. Not to mention the head cook and bottle wash. Queen Kamala, beloved. Of course, she's a producer. What else? A mother. What else? What else? A singer, songwriter. What else? Promoter. What else? Entrepreneur. What else? Philanthropist. What else? She's Queen Kamala. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Big up our sister and welcome her to center stage. Churning out hit song after hit song after hit song. The catalog is growing and her presence is radiating across the planet. Queen Kamala.
A queen Kamala. The love one go over here and say, hey! I want to go say, hey! Bad man to what? Any man that love a man, they might turn back? Drop the ring, sir. I want to go on. You mean somebody are you to die? You mean someone be able to not kill? We don't like that stuff, man. Jamaicans! It's a peace and love, you know. And we have said we love back to Jamaica, you know. Hey! A queen Kamala. Me want to walk on. Tell me I walk on. You got lucky to walk on. Walk on, walk on. Walk on, walk on. Me want to walk on. Tell me I walk on. You got lucky to walk on. Walk on, walk on. Walk on, walk on. Walk on. You know see we used to my die. Politicians they not stop their lying. I pull me up, I fear some fire. Everywhere we go, me say I'm going to die. Another mother born a baby and cry. One and one eight, me say one to the sky. We take up all another get so you die. Can't understand why, oh why. I want one. So tell me one. I know the whole thing going on, so the thing said. I walk one. We don't like walk one at Jamaica, you know. Too much senseless killing. Too much corruption. Too much pedophile. Too much murder. I will say different things, so. And that's where I look from. Hey! Don't worry. Me one. Tell me I want one. Me da looking one. Me one. Tell me I want one. Me da looking one. Yes, we used to die. Politicians they not stop their lying. I pull me up, I feel some fire. Everywhere we go, we say I won't shut up. Another mother wanna baby and cry. One and one make me say one to the sky. Get up to another. We out, don't give me the show time. I know the whole thing going on. Tell me I need a lucky one. Short time. Hey! Stop it! It's a wheel out. Okay, you're back now, get your fucking seed out. You drop a speak boy away and dream out. They get me cross angry. You should have let me scream out. 12 back at the night, you should have let me scream out. Jump with it. Hey! I keep Kamala. I wake up. Come rock with me and turn to the way. Hey! Come over, pull over. Me and me under the cover. They walk in the foot for the shoulder. Wait till it up like Come over, pull over, the lady under the cover. Easy boy and pull me sober. Another deep way, you want me lover. Hey, you want me feel right now. Don't feel me, baby, let me breathe right now. Barbie, what I see right now. I'm not feeling it, I'm not seeing right now. Let's say you can't handle it. But man, we want to come strong, baby. Think it hard. He's right, high, buddy. So all you feel me, body is ironic. Come over, pull over. The lady and the under the cover. Let's get it up, let's get it back. Hey! A queen, come on. Alright, you know the people, I wanna rock from us, you know. What's that man keep going in? We're taking our time like this together, just for one. And I tell you, see the people that walk in there now, them, hey! And them I said, yo, dog. Yeah, man. Presenting up my body and soul, for that I rule, you're in control. We know! Hey! I'm not saying all the fun
Sweet killer, yeah. Sweet killer. Not that trick my looks and not she talking, no. Oh, she's mine. Hey. Hey. I was born by the river. Oh, little things. And just like that, I've been singing praises. Oh, it's been a long time coming, but I know change won't come. Yes, it will. Boy, change and I am dancing. The only one chance.
Yo, Fireball. Yo, General. I want you to play a rhythm to me. Play a rhythm. Goodness of God. Yeah. Yeah! Big up in the ginger. How you mean? Booba. What is that?
One point more.
Goodness of God. Play that one with me. Can you see the vibes are going on? You see it, we have just know, say. Jamaica English. Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, I love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails me. In all my days, I've been held in your hand. From the moment I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And I'm not going to walk this way. And I'm not going to walk this so good, Lord. But everything I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness. Once again, Ginger, now make it one more. You see the slim thing? You have the slim thing in it? Right? Yeah. Are you want to talk about it? Microphone, let me play a problem. Jump the slim thing.
Yeah.
Love what you got. Don't run. Yeah. First, love what you got. Yeah, bono. All right, what you got that? Bless each and everyone. If you live in a glass house, don't you go. And if you can't take no brother, don't no guys, the healing's from no guys. Take a blind down the northwest to why. So when it's from them, me know the eye. I didn't think the monk was born. I'm fucking at you, I'm talking. Sleeping around while you wake up. This is the first morning. This is not bad, y'all. Go. It's a chicken that blows.
Look to the east, but I'm never black. Christ is King character. Christ is King character. Christ is King character. Oh, well, now, one love, brother, man, say, sir. Oh, hey, Rastafari. Christ is King character. Christ is King character. Christ is King character. Oh well now, one love, brother man, say Rasta. Who knows it must be Jaja. Thank goodness I don't have to wonder. I know it. Jesus, stand there.
I got to see you through your rough days. Get your chance in a life of other days. Mama never go your way, that's the way. Before you can the food you want to eat. Hold up, got to see you through your rough days. Get your chance in a life. And James, I want to call my brother, you know. What's not for them? Give me up.
Rastafari. Run it now.
Yo, I want you to have some better ginger. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah. Advertising show.
stage. But for some days I've been running around in this same old raggedy clothes, but still I'm good to go. I am a good to go. I know them the shoes might make it great, exposing my toes, but love's like the snow. Oh yeah, I'm good to go. Hey Ginger, watch out, I take a shower every day, no one me change me dress. Put on a brand new pair of socks just because. Whoa, cleansing the steps to God. And when me touch the streets, me going real hard. Nobody check me out alive, I put me on a pass. Anybody violate a big go start the cars. Destruction, that's the reward. Sometimes I have to treat them with the hold on. I mean, say days I've been running around. In the same old these guys but still I'm good to go. Hey, good to go. Boy, hold on. I never tell them, say, shoes my neck bread, yeah. Exposing my toes. Long, boy, I'm good to go. Hey, Ginger, me tell them, keep on hustling. Yeah, we're for city, Rastafari. I'm anointed and appointed son of King David. Reggae soul, I'm the reggae soul. Yes, I'm anointed and appointed son of King David. Hallelujah now, hallelujah now. Versatile, dance, sing, and dance from DJ. Don't leave the youth demonstrate from one day to another play. The youth them live till they fail. Watch your message in the music. Be a good man, son, still a making. And them still never contradict. Young the personalized, young Josh. I'm a 90 culture police. Lover, now violate. The earth is allowed in the fullness thereof, the world and all that dwell therein. For he has founded it upon the seas and established it upon the floods. For who shall ascend into the hills of the Lord? Jah! Rastafari, who shall stand in his holy place? He who have a clean hands and a pure heart was not lifted his soul to vanity, nor sworn deceitfully. He shall receive the blessing from the Lord. Jah! Rastafari and righteousness from his salvation. This is the generation of them that seek thy face, so Jah! Rastafari, walking and talking, love.